Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle in this additional of yesterday's newspaper. Yes, yesterday's newspaper is Saturday, July the 3rd, 2021. We have one puzzle left. On Sunday we don't receive any newspaper, so I've decided to finish all the puzzles of the additional of yesterday's newspaper. And this one, a tectonic with a 1 star, will be a number 3048. Yeah, 3048. All right. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 17 printed digits, so it must be an easy one. All right. And the first question to you is, can we see here the single box? Boxes. I see here the single box is already filled in. Then the dual box. Can we see here any dual boxes? No. Triple box then. Yeah, I see here the triple box. Triple box, only one number filled in, the 2. So the other two numbers, the triple box contains the 1 and the 2 and the 3. The 2 is already filled in, so the 1 and the 3 are left. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright, this number, this box, cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3. Should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. Alright. Triple box, do we have a quadra box? Here we have a quadra box. Here also a quadra box. Remember, if you see a quadra box in an L shape, this box is always a 5. So in an L shape, always a 5. All right. Don't confuse with the L shape with 5 boxes, because the following stage, yes, the following here also quadra box. The 4 and the 3 are already filled in, so 2 numbers left. The 1 and the 2 are left. Okay, more quadra boxes? No. So the following stage or strategy is to recognize some shapes or figures or construction or structures. For example, the L shape with 5 boxes. Here we have an L shape. Remember that this box is always the same number as that box. All right. With 5 boxes, don't remember, not with 4, but with 5. All right. Then the following figure, this figure, okay. Remember that this box is always the same number as that box. Okay. This box, same number as that box. Do we have more of this kind of shape? No. Then the following shape, this kind of shape. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. Okay, so this box is the same number as that box. Alright. Then the following figure, this kind of figure, yeah, the T shape or T figure or T construction. Remember that this box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's already filled in, the 1. And also that box has the same number as this box. In this case, this box should be a 3. Okay. So this box is the same number as that box. Alright. Those are the figures or shapes or construction or structures for shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. There are more of shapes or shapes or constructions or figures, but in this puzzle there are 4 that you need to recognize. Then it's simple to fill the numbers. So the following strategy is, let's get starting filling the numbers. All right. We have a 1 here. That means that those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this T-shaped area for the numbers 2 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. This box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 numbers left, the numbers 3 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 3 and 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also 3 and 4. 1 box left in this area, also 3 and 4. Okay. These 2 boxes cannot be a 4. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So those, the other pair in this L-shaped area should be the numbers 1 and the 3. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here and the 3 goes there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 2 numbers left in this L-shaped area for the numbers 5 and 1. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here and a 5 goes there. Alright. I cannot place a 4 here because I have a double 4 there. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2 and that box should be a 4. Alright. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Alright. I think no thinking. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. I think this box should be a 2 because it cannot be 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3. We have a 3 here in the same area. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 1 box left in this W area shape for the number 4. Alright. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1. Should be a 2. Cannot be a 3 in the same area. Cannot be a 4. Cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. 2 numbers left for the numbers 1 and 4. 1 and 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 4 goes there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. The other 2 boxes are left for the numbers 3 and 4. We see there 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here and the 4 goes there. These 3 boxes surround the 4. Cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. 2 numbers left in this cross area shape. For the numbers 3 and 5, we see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Alright. Alright. Let me see. Yeah. These 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3. Those 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Then these 3 boxes surround the 3, cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Alright. Yeah. I think this box. No. Don't think. Well. This box cannot be a 4, so the 4 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. Yeah. That means that this box cannot be a 1. If I place a 1 here, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box cannot be a 1. But also that box cannot be a 1 or a 2. We have a 1 and a 2 there, double 1 here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Alright. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1 because we have a 1 and a 2 there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those two boxes. So the 1 here is not the solution. The only place for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this quadrat box for the number 2. Alright, these 3 boxes surrounded 2 cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here, and the 3 goes there. This box cannot be a 2. We have a double 2 there. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Alright. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1 because we have a double 1 there. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and the 5. Alright. 1, 2. Okay. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4. Yes, definitely a 5. And I've eliminated the 1, so the 1 goes here. 2 numbers left in this area for the numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 2 there, so this box cannot be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. Okay. We have a 3 there, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3. And this box should be a 4. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 4. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. These 3 boxes surround a 4 cannot be a 4. That box cannot be a 4. So 1 box left for the 4 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 3. So the 1 and the 3 goes together as a pair. The other pair in this area should be the 2 and the 5. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 5 because it cannot be a 1. We have a double 1 here. It cannot be 2. It cannot be a 3. We have a double 3 there. And it cannot be a 4. So 1 digit left should be the 5. Alright. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 5. Alright. Okay. This box is connected with that box, should be also the 3 and a 1. I cannot place a 2 here. Otherwise, I have here double 2 here. If I place a 2 here, I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So the only place for the 2 should be here. So 2 boxes left in this area for the numbers 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1, 3 and a 1. Well, I cannot place a 1 here. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 3. Okay. 1 box left in this area for the number 1, and this box is connected with that box, should be also a 1. 1 box left in this area for the number 3. Now we have 1 there, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 2. Finish in 14 minutes. All right, great Tectonic. And I finished this faster than 50 minutes because for 1 star I need to be faster than 15 minutes. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find a lot of playlists in my channel. Just go to my channel. and you find the playlist for the tectonics, for the binaries, for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 star Sudokus, for the ladder Sudokus, for the heavy, medium, and light Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the quintuplet, for the all those puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you find them all. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great Sunday, fantastic Sunday, and we will meet you tomorrow on Monday. Have a great weekend. Bye bye for now.